This is part 23 of creepiest things that have happened to me as a nurse. This time I was working in a nursing home. We had a brand new resident move in. That's what they call them. They don't call them patients. A brand new resident that moved in, and he was technically on hospice. So they were like, I don't know how long he's going to be here, but unpack his stuff, get his MAR medical record and everything, get a chart set up. And so, yeah. And I worked the 11 to 7 shift that particular day. Of course, I'm always on night shift. Like, I'm such a vampire. So on this fateful night, it was probably around 3 a.m.-ish, like right in the middle of the shift. And we hear like him yell from his room, which was of course at the end of the hall, I'm not going, I'm not going, I'm not going, like 2 or 3 times, I think. And me and the CNAs that were there, it was me and Dawn and Melissa. We all looked at each other like, I'm not going, you. Finally, we decided, let's all go, so that we can all support each other. And when we got to the room, we could not find a pulse. He was a DNR. He had passed. Who was he talking to saying, I'm not going? And where was he going? And I have goosebumps now.